Hello friends and potential friends. Got out here yesterday and got some tomatoes planted for my fall crop. We'll see how it works out, see if the winter cooperates with me. Little tiny things, I started them in the lab inside. Got 13 of them here. I actually had planted seeds here in the bed about a month ago, and only about 4 of them came up. So like this little guy here was one of them, one of the survivors that came up, and this one here, the biggest one, was one of the survivors that came up. So I got 13 Roma tomatoes planted in here. And while I was in here, I noticed that, if you saw my last video on digging up sweet potatoes, apparently I missed some. We got one popping up there, one over here, one over here, and one right there in the middle. I think I'm just going to let them grow and see what happens. The part that interests me, over here in this next bed, I get a couple of sweet potatoes popping up here too. There's one there, one over here, and I think I saw one other. I don't see it right offhand. Interestingly, over here where the tomatoes are planted, this is where I grew the sweet potatoes in the spring. So apparently I missed a few. This bed over here, I've never grown sweet potatoes in this bed. I've never planted any. I don't know where these guys came from, but they're here, and none of the lettuce that I planted in here has come up. So I'm just going to let them go and see what happens. My theory is, over here in the jungle catch-all bed, I had a couple of sweet potatoes pop up in here in the spring, and they're still here. You can see there's a little bit of the leaves in the vine there. I think this is all one plant. It covers this entire trellis here. And every day lately, when I come out, I'm seeing all these flowers. Little purple sweet potato flowers all over the place. With a few seeds here and there. So the theory I'm working on is, apparently seeds from this sweet potato have blown over into my second bed. So here in my yard, the prevailing winds come right through, pardon the junk, but right through between these two houses, straight across this bed and off into the yard. That's our prevailing winds. So apparently it blew some sweet potato seeds over here into my second bed, and we'll see if I get any sweet potatoes out of them. One of these days I'm going to have to dig this mess up too, and probably get 1 or 2 dinky little sweet potatoes out of that as well. So we'll see how that turns out. It started off as a tomato planting episode and turned into another sweet potato episode on its own. I think there's also one sweet potato over in the corner of my test bed over here, and it's about time to start digging up ginger and turmeric, it looks like. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. I'll let you know what happens with my volunteer sweet potatoes. Hopefully the winter will cooperate and I'll get some tomatoes out of those Romas, and then we'll go from there. We'll see you next time.